I'm going to show you how you can easily send a money request to somebody using the Venmo app on your iPhone or mobile device. All you need to do this is the other person's full name if they're in your contacts, their Venmo username, email, or a mobile phone number. To get started, download and then open up the Venmo app. From the main home screen here, tap Pay or Request in the center of the bottom menu bar. Next, start typing the person's name that you're sending the money request to. Again, if they're in your contacts or if you've interacted with them in the past, just start typing their name, and if not, ask them for their Venmo username since that's going to be the easiest. If they don't know what their username is, you can also look them up with their email or their phone number that they use to sign up with. Once you find the person, tap on their name. Next, enter the amount of money that you're requesting from them. After that, in the "What's this for?" message box, you can then enter a memo for what the payment is for. Say you're splitting a bill for dinner, you could just make a quick note of that. You can also use the quick commonly used emojis here that pop up. After that, tap the request button here on the bottom left. You can then review the request on the next screen to double check that you've entered everything right and you're not forgetting anything. You can also change the privacy of the request here on the bottom right. Tap this, and then you can change who all can see this. If you want to make sure that the request details are only visible to you and the recipient, make sure this is set to private. If you don't care about the privacy though, then you can just keep this to whatever you want here. Make your choice, and then when you're ready, tap Request. The other person will then get a payment request on their phone where they can follow through the steps and send you your payment. And that's how you send a payment request to someone inside of Venmo.